Argan oil is slowly becoming popular for acne treatment. It is very good for your skin and can reduce acne scars. If you have acne-prone skin, then argan oil may help you with sun protection to prevent breakouts due to sunshine and heat. Let's take a closer look at argan oil properties and how to use it for your acne-prone skin. So, stay tuned to the end. In addition to preventing and treating acne, argan oil nourishes, softens and firms up your skin for you to look younger. You may like to call it a miracle oil for your skin. Argan essential oil is extracted from the seed of argan nuts. This organic oil has cosmetic, therapeutic and culinary properties. It is rich in antioxidants and contains omega-6 and 9, fatty acids, vitamin E, squalene, sterols and polyphenols. Argan oil is a very good moisturizer. It also helps with promoting cell regeneration, improves skin elasticity and fades acne scars. It helps repair the skin's hydrolipidic film and regulates sebum production. Since it is a natural sun protection oil, you don't have to worry about any toxic impact on your skin that commercial sunscreens may cause. In a normal urban working area environment where you may get intermittent sun exposure, argan oil can provide adequate sun protection. This protection prevents acne breakouts, particularly for those who have acne-prone skin. You can apply 100% pure argan oil directly on your skin. Argan oil is mild on your skin as compared to other essential oils that can burn your skin if applied directly. To prevent acne breakouts, you can apply a few drops of argan oil after washing your face with warm water and dabbing it dry with a towel. Rub it in circular motion to cover your entire face. Repeat the application 2 to 3 times a day. If you already have acne on your face, then use a cotton swab to apply it on the pimples 2 to 3 times daily. You can also ingest pure argan oil that comes in capsule form to get overall skin benefits for your entire body. Bottom line is, argan oil is good for acne. It also moisturizes, nourishes and protects your skin from sun to make you look younger. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.